Hey guys, so today's video is all about getting ready for school. I thought I would share a few things that I found for back to school and also share how I am keeping all of his school stuff organized like this year and in the years to come. I found a really great product that I had to share with you guys. I think that school papers are one of the things that tends to get really piled up. My mom is still working on going through all of our school stuff that she saved over the years. I just wanted to, I guess, get ahead of that problem and just have a system in place from the get-go. Be sure to like this video if you like organizational videos, and also make sure that you're following me over on Instagram. I'll have all of the links to everything that I mentioned below. Let's get right into it. Okay, so the first thing I want to show you is this memory box that I got from a company called Nice and Neat Homes. I found out about this on Instagram, and this is just such a smart way to store all of your kids' school paperwork and even just papers like ultrasounds and things like that from your pregnancy, any sort of medical records, keepsakes. You could kind of do this in place of a baby book. And so what they send you is they send you all of these labels for the files. They send you the custom name decal for the front of the box, which comes in a different font options and color options. And then they send a bunch of these sheets. So you attach these sheets on the front of each file. So every year you would put one of their pictures on the left and you would answer all of these questions on the right. It's just such a fun way to remember what they were into at that age. And then you purchase the hanging file box and the file folders themselves separately. So I'll put links below to where I got mine, but I am going to go ahead and put my memory box together. This was kind of a fun process, and I'll speed it up so you guys can see how easy it is.
When we wake, hear the birds and see the sun. Side by side our fears are done. Oh, the good times just begun. We know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future is bright. Before sleep, hear the crickets, see the moon. Side by side and
So this is just showing you how you would attach the All About Me sheets to the folder, and I'm planning on just attaching mine with double-sided tape. And then the blank sheets I'm just storing in the bottom of the memory box until I need another one. If you would like to order one of these memory box kits, I reached out to them and they gave me a discount code for you guys, so all of that information is down in the description box. Okay, the next back to school item that I wanted to show you is this cute photo prop for the first day of school pictures. And this comes, you can customize this obviously for different grades. You can also get different colors of ribbon. You can get, I think either there's like a grayscale option, there's a pink option, and then I got the blue. But I just thought this was really cute and just something he could just hold for the first day of school picture. And then next are these custom name labels. These are so nice to put on your kids' school supplies. So our preschool made sure to tell us like to write our kid's name on everything. These I just think are so nice because they're waterproof and they're really like nice and neat looking, whereas if you try to write it with a marker or Sharpie, a lot of times I think it ends up getting smeared, and this way it's easy to read and it just looks so nice and it sticks on everything. So I showed you here on a few different items that I put it on. Thanks so much for watching this video. Be sure that you're subscribed so you don't miss any new ones. And again, all of the links that I mentioned will be below in the description box. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.
When we wake, hear the birds and see the sun. Side by side, our fears are done.